Here we have delightful Raja Devdarshan.
Happy greetings to all. I am delightful Raja Devdarshan. I possess logical intelligence. I am so lucky to have parents like you and my teachers. I thank my teacher Niranjani ma'am for enriching me. Thank you brother Ji for this amazing reading method and reading style. Thank you all, love you all. Oh yeah, I get in.
Devadarshan, 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 Devadarshan.
அப்துல் கலாம் சொன்னார் ஒன்று கணக்காண வேண்டும் என்று உண்மையாக்க நீ வென்று வா.
Here comes energetic Raja Ishant.
Hi, I am energetic Raja Ishant. Thank my wonderful for giving me wonderful school in Acharya. I invite to express my gratitude for stay games. PT ma'am, Kavadi and me. Appreciation motivation. Thank you, Beraji. Thank you all, baby all. Oh, I get it.
Ishan, Ishan, Ishan.
உச்சம் என்பது எந்த நொடியும் நம்மை விழுங்கும் மறவாதே உச்சம் என்பது எட்டும் வரையில் கண்கள் உறங்க நினையாதே அறிவெனும் ஆயுதம்.
Here we have kind Raja Karnish Krishna.
Happy greetings to all. I am Raja Karnish Krishna and I am a grade 1 student at Acharya Schooling in Talukpam. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my remarkable teacher and I deeply thankful to my parents who have been my pillars of strength at providing with unconditional love and support. My dream is to become an IPS officer and I am proud to possess logical intelligence. Thank you, brother Ji. Thank you all. Love you all. Oh, yeah.
Karnish, 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 Karnish.
Now I invite knowledgeable Raja Keshav Ram. Krishna.
Happy greetings, everyone. I am Knowledge Raja Keshavra. As I stand here today, I am filled with a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation. My school has proven in a nurturing environment that fosters sportivity. I thank my brother Ji that wow activities and techniques with nurturing in a expert critical thinker. Thank you all, love you all. I the team.
Keshav, 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 Keshav.
Now we have kind Raja Krishang.
Happy greetings to all. I am Raja Krishang. My aim is to become a doctor. I possess interpersonal intelligence. I thank my parents and teachers who have motivated me to perform a grateful activity. I love to solve cube with blindfold. Kavita ma'am, dear ma'am, to enrich me. Thank you all, love you all. Oh yes, we get it.
Krishan, 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 Krishan.
என்று என்னடா நீ நேற்று நீ கண்ட காயம் யாவும் உன்னை மாற்றுமோ உன் வேர்வைகள் வெற்றி துளிகளாக மாறுமோ.
Next comes sweet Raja Suhirdan.
With all love and happiness, this is Express
talented Raja Divinesh.
Hi, I am talented Raja Divinesh. I express my gratitude and love my parents and teachers. I possess 5 religions. I thank my parents for providing best of best Kunyacharya. Yeah, thank you, Bhataji, for blessing us for activity. Thank you all, love you all. Oh, yeah, reading. Divanesh.
உன்னில ரத்தம் அது நித்தம் கொதிக்கட்டும் எண்ணிய எண்ணம் அது என்றும் ஜெயிக்கட்டும் தப்பேதும் இல்லை
Now I call upon smart Raja Suman.
Happy greetings, I am your smart Raja Suman. With all I feel very proud to share in steady taking better and develop my communication skill and thank you all, love you all.
Suman.
விதிகளை மாறி வெல்லும் ஆழங்கள் கற்றதால் விழ நான் எழுவேன் முதுகெலும்பு சீரைந்தும் my game is beyond pain you want to be the best.
Here comes ambitious Rani Arshika.
I am from the grateful family of Acharya. I am your beloved daughter Rani Ashika. My dream is to become a IAS officer. I possess intrapersonal intelligence. I thank my trainer for being humble and kind. In the all your encouragements in the made me to be a best performance in the all the competition. Thank you, brother G. Thank you all. Love you all. Oh yeah, I get it.
Now I invite graceful Rani Gurudarshini.
Happily, willingly, and lovingly, with all love, I am grateful Rani Gurdashni. I possess musical intelligence. I am become a dedicated military doctor. Thank you and love you, brother Ji, for giving such an amazing schooling. Your school passed me a great environment that encourages to develop creative innovation in all activity. Thank you all, love you all. Oh yeah, I get it.
உன்னை நீ உணர்ந்து பார் நெஞ்சுக்குள் திறந்து
Gurudashni.
மாய விசை மாய விசை
Now I call upon kind Rani Krishnita.
Happy getting body looking at that intelligent Rani Krishnita. Today I thank you as a proud student. I want to thank my dear teacher for dedication, expertise and passion for teaching which have inspired me to pursue my dream of becoming well-famous doctor. And my school provided me a dynamic, inclusive environment to found my multi-level in Rubik's Cube solving. Also volunteer for performance in all competition. Thank you all, love you all. Oh yeah, I got it.
Here comes majestic Rani Mitra.
I am grateful to be here in the presence of my devoted parents and teacher. I am majestic Rani Mitra. My dream is to become a teacher. I thank my teacher for helping me to express express my talent in skill project. I would also like to thank my parents and my brother Ji. Thank you all, love you all. Be good. Mitra, 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 Mitra.
Now I invite Noble Rani Nirosha.
Hello everyone, I am Nice Rani Nirosha. I am happy to share my exciting experience with you. This amazing experience is a cool project in our school. We planted seeds and grow into yummy fruits and vegetables. I Principal Ma'am and Brother Chi for my helping my itch grow. Thank you all, love you all.
Bingo!
Okay, I get it.
Nirosha, 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 Nirosha.
Who's the hero? Who's the hero?
Here comes Pleasant Rani Pritika Sri.
Happy greetings to all. I am Pleasant Rani Pritika Sri. My aim is to become a doctor. I possess musical intelligence. I enjoy drawing and chess class. Parents, teachers, principal, and thank you, Brother Ji. Thank you all, everyone. Oh, yeah.
Kritika, 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 Kritika.
Next comes talented Rani Tanshika.
Happily, willingly, and lovingly with all love and joy. Hi, I am Rani Tanshika. I possess logical intelligence. My aim is to become a doctor. My PT ma'am is kind, my to all in mind of crew. Thank you, Brother Ji, for providing amazing schooling. Thank you all, love you all. Tanchika, 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 Tanchika.
Now I call upon youthful Rani Yadini.
Happily, willingly, and lovingly with all